Hi, I'm Justin, Operations Director at Farm.One, and I'm going to show you what we have in the bag this week. So I'm going to start off with the red box, which is our baby greens box. So we have some 5-star lettuce mix, nice soft lettuce mix there. We have some red kale, very beautiful hardy kale, some Toscano kale, which is the green kale, and something interesting this week we have. This is, you might recognize it from the leaf shape. This is actually carrots. This is a micro carrot. So the same sort of carrot tops that grow from the root that comes out of the ground. These are delicious. They taste exactly like carrot. So nice kind of like bright sort of vegetal note there in baby greens. Next I'm going to go to the yellow box, which is our microgreens box. One of my favorite Mizunas, this is a Ms. America Mizuna, this nice kind of dark red garnet sort of color. We have red streak Mizuna, which is a little bit more kind of spicy. It's a red and green Mizuna. This week we have this is called early Mizuna. It's a green Mizuna that's a little bof more mild. Nice kind of like snappy texture to it, but not quite as spicy, not quite as biting. And then kind of as a little sprinkle here, we have some really classic French micro chervil, just that kind of like classic, classy sort of flavor. I love chervil. And finally, we have our blue box, which is our herbs and flowers box. Nice kind of overflowing box there. We have Rau Ram. Rau Ram is also known as Vietnamese coriander. Kind of has that sort of classic coriander flavor, a little bit more kind of lime zest in there. It's a little spicy too, has a slight little kick to it. I use the leaves like I would any sort of coriander or cilantro. Goes great in Vietnamese soups like pho, but any sort of tropical flavors it goes really great with. Goes great with if you have savory dishes where you incorporate fruit in the dish as well. Adds a nice sort of lift there. This guy here, this is a mountain mint. So this is a plant that's native to North America. And it's just like the name suggests, it's very minty, very fragrant. It's not actually like a true mint, like spearmint or peppermint, but it has that nice sort of bright minty sort of flavor, and some beautiful dianthus flowers here as well.